Another thing I want to talk about, guys, is how heavy duty our material is. This is not some crappy DIY kits that you buy online and install yourself. We make the material super structural grade. It's a heavy duty stuff. It's not gonna fall on you. You don't have to install it yourself. We come and install it for you, because we're licensed to do installations ourselves. You don't get two separate invoices. You get the job done with one company. We do everything in-house, installation plus fabrication, and you get contractor's line of material. This is very heavy duty stuff, like I mentioned. Material we actually do ourselves. We don't buy it from China like any other people say we do. We make it ourselves, we install it ourselves. So the whole scope of job is done in-house by Globus Gates. Like I mentioned, we're licensed, bonded, insured, and you can check it out on CSLB. If you don't know how to do that, we're gonna give you some instructions. It's actually pretty easy. You go to CSLB website, it's called cslb.california.gov government, and there you put our license information, which you can put license number or you can put license name, whatever. And you get to know the company you're dealing with, actually. That's very important nowadays, because I'm meeting the clients all day long and they say, oh, some guy came, gave me the price, and then another guy came and they don't have license for the installation, but I'm gonna do the job with them. What's the point, guys? Be real. Get the job done the right way, first time, and get it done with Globus Gates, no games.